Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add TSA Precheck to United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add TSA Precheck to your United Airlines app, what you need to do is head over and open up your United Airlines app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, on the bottom you'll be seeing your account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to your account. Scroll down and here you'll find the option that says TSA Precheck and travel documents. Simply tap on that, and now here scroll down until you find a section for secure travel, travel preferences or TSA Precheck. And then once you are inside there, what you need to do is tap on add TSA Precheck or edit TSA Precheck. If you have TSA Precheck, you will have been issued unknown traveler number KTN during the application process. Enter your KTN in the field provided, save your information, and then when boarding a new flight or checking in, the app should automatically recognize your TSA Precheck status and add the Precheck symbol to your boarding pass if the flight is eligible for TSA Precheck. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.